The NHS has expanded a programme called Type 2 Diabetes Path to Remission, often known as the Soups and Shakes diet, to a further 42 local health areas in the UK, the aim of which is to kick Type 2 diabetes into remission. Here's the latest update in under 1 minute. Over 13,000 people signed up last year, and that's nearly double in the year before. Around 1 in 3 people who complete it put their diabetes into remission, and many lost significant weight, on average 16 kilos. That's a toddler or a small dog. And this isn't a fad either. It's part of a structured NHS support programme with guidance and follow-up. I'm going to drop the link of this programme in the video description. But what does this mean for you? Remission is possible for some type 2 diabetics, but it's not guaranteed and it's not easy. If you're looking for additional ways to improve your diet and general well-being, check out the NHS Food Scanner app review. It blew my mind. I loved it. So let me know in the comments if you want a breakdown of how the program works, or share maybe your own experiences of your own remission journeys.